Welcome to the world of Kamdhenu Polyplast, a world where we have seamlessly combined the power of innovation with the promise of reliability. Today, we are thrilled to take you through the intricate workings of our advanced cPVC pipes and fittings, designed to cater to the modern plumbing needs of our times. Central to our products is the state-of-the-art cPVC technology, a technology that embodies the core of durability, resistance to corrosion, and enduring performance. The cPVC pipes and fittings we create are not just to meet the industry standards, but to surpass them, offering you a plumbing system that stands robust and reliable. Now, allow us to take you through some of the key features that make our cPVC pipes and fittings stand out in a crowd. Our cPVC pipes are designed to withstand high temperatures. This makes them an ideal choice for hot water applications, without compromising on their structural integrity. And what about corrosion, you ask? Well, bid farewell to all your corrosion woes. Our cPVC pipes stand tall against corrosive elements, promising a long and healthy life for your plumbing system. Installation? It's as easy as pie with our user-friendly design. With our easy-to-install cPVC pipes and fittings, you can save both time and money. Versatility is what defines our cPVC pipes and fittings. Be it for residential purposes, commercial or industrial, Kamdhenu Polyplast offers the perfect plumbing solution for each of your unique needs. I chose Kamdhenu Polyplast cPVC pipes for my home, and I couldn't be happier. The quality is outstanding, and the installation was a breeze. As a contractor, I depend on Kamdhenu Polyplast for all my plumbing projects. The durability and performance of their cPVC pipes and fittings are unmatched in the industry. Thank you for allowing us to take you on this journey through the world of Kamdhenu Polyplast cPVC pipes and fittings. When it comes to a plumbing solution that blends innovation with reliability, the choice is clear. Choose Kamdhenu Polyplast. Contact us today to learn more about how you can bring unmatched quality to your plumbing projects.